This hidden gem should be on your bucket list. Vibrant Medellín, Colombia. Known as the City of Eternal Spring, it boasts year-round perfect weather. First up, the food. Medellín's culinary scene offers everything from traditional bandeja paisa to gourmet international cuisines. You'll fall in love with the flavors. Now, the views. Absolutely stunning. Ride the metro cable up to the lush hills for breathtaking panoramic cityscapes, or explore Comuna 13, a neighborhood transformed by colorful street art. The culture is equally captivating. Locals, known as paisas, are warm and welcoming, making the city both friendly and safe for solo and LGBTQ+ travelers. If you're seeking adventure, Medellín is your spot. It's accessible, stunning, and brimming with life. So what's stopping you? Pack your bags and start discovering Medellín today. Where should we travel next? Drop your dream destination below and subscribe to join our adventure.